Hey guys, it's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be helping you guys to get your back bend kickover in one day. So let's get to the video. Before attempting any skill, you should always stretch to prevent injury. Before going ahead with your back bend kickover, you should already have a bridge. The first thing you will need to learn is a back bend. The first step is to find out how far apart your feet should be. When doing your back bend, your arms should be by your ears and you should tilt your head back to look at your pinkies the whole time. Something you want to make sure you're doing when you're going into the back bend is that you're actually bending your back. So if you're not bending your back, you're just bending your knees, you're just going to fall back flat. So you want to make sure you actually bend your back here so you actually can catch yourself on the ground. Something you need to make sure you're doing when doing the back bend is that you're keeping your feet on the ground, because if you go on your toes, you're going to be really unbalanced and you could fall. One way to get over the fear of going backwards is using a wall. You're going to stand in front of the wall, bend back and climb your hands down the wall. Another way you can get over the fear of going backwards is using higher objects and slowly removing them so you get closer and closer to the ground. The way you can learn to do a back bend is by a spotter. They just go, if you have a spotter, they just have their hand on your back and on your leg just to give you that extra support for when you are going backwards into a back bend, and they can make the spot lighter and lighter each time, and so you're almost doing it by yourself. Next, you'll need to learn the kickover. First, you'll need to find your kicking leg. Go into a bridge and lift your leg up. Whichever one is more comfortable to kick over with will be your kicking over leg. Something to make sure you're doing when you're doing your kickover is that your feet aren't all the way over here while you're in your example. This, you will not be able to kick over. It will be so much harder to kick over from that position. So you need to make sure that when you're doing it, you're actually trying to arch your back so that you can kick over much easier, from this position. Like I said before, you can also get a spotter for this. So when you're doing your kickover, they're just going to have their hand on your back and on your leg, and they're just going to help you kind of pushing your leg over. Another way you can learn your kickover is by using higher objects and removing them until you get closer and closer to the ground. Once again, you can also use a wall to learn your kickover. You're going to put your feet on the wall and just kick off. Another thing to be making sure of is that you're not just using your back leg to push over, kick off the ground with, but you're also using your front leg. Right before you're about to put all the weight onto your back leg, you want to make sure you're pushing off your front leg and kicking as hard as you can with your back leg and trying to really get that leg over so you can do your kick over, if that makes sense. I'll give a demonstration. Now you have your back bend kickover. Hopefully I helped you guys to get your back bend kickover in one day. Let me know down in the comments if you did. And comment down below what tutorial you would like to see next. See you guys next time. Bye!